Okay, we're off for a snapper and a Kina dive for tangi. Yeah, here we are, our Fiji. Rangiputa, Ngāti Kahu, Rangaunu, Rangaunu. Hey, still my friends, tupe. Yeah, that's a nice day. We're off, we're off. Put the boat in the water. We're off. Wairea uta, wairea tai, wairea tōne tapu. Kaura tangata ki uta me te aki mai a tangata ki tai. Kaura tangata ki tai me te aki mai a tangata ki uta. Pero ki rā te korepe nui, te korepe roa, te wāhi awa, te totoi awa, tēnei te tomo atu kia tangaroa, kia hine moana. Tūturu aka maua kia tīna. Tīna. Haumi e, hui e. Tai. Rough. Oh! Tahe. Whānau. Karite, babe, karite.
E whānau.
Pai o hunters I te whānau. Ko te rā mātou. Cuzzie, koza, te whenua. I kāna ki te moana o Rangaunu. It's low today, but it's all good. It's all part of it. Whenua, kaha, kia kaha. Ka te momo. Wāhi Tāmure noi hopo. Hapai boat. You know when you start putting things on social media, next minute everyone's texting. Everyone wants some Kinas. sweet.
Yep.
Yeah. My cuz, you're on the video, my cuzzie.
All good,
my cuz. Cuz he's taking his kaupapa dive. Bit of a kaupapa dive, look. One of our whānau passed away. Taking his down. Oh, can you fit, cuz, in your big piece? Can you fit on your big piece, you truck?
Take that little.
Yeah, all good. The cuzzie up. Yeah, so just unloading. Yeah, that's a mean truck, cuz. Fuck.
Alright. Yeah, why not, eh? Gonna get one, must get big.
Yeah.
On a good fast cuz.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's a mean truck. Bit jealous. Jealous to come park next to my little truck. Yeah, hook the cuzzie up.
Just picked up, mum.
Nah, we're just unloading now. Oh, yeah, we're just unloading.
Yeah, to turkey. Hey, make sure there's some shadows there when I get there, that's for sure. Well, there, mum. Yeah, you get those shadows ready, mum.
Yep. Cuzzie, cuz. Well, good, my cuz, you carry on.
Cool.
Yeah, cuz, carry on.
Wait on my cousin. Thank you, my cousin.
Appreciate that.
Cool.
It is my cuz, let's bring that six back.
Yeah, all good.
Have a good one.
Quietly.
All good, my cuzzie. All good. Sweet as, cuz. It's a rubbish, cuz. It's all part of the mahi. The clean up. You know, this is what people don't understand. Is that when we when people ask us to go and do a dive for them, that that there's a whole lot of mahi to do. Not just paying for all your petrol and diesel, but the clean up, the maintenance of all your gears. So, because of the kai that we gather, I mean, we all know that Kina is a rangatira tēnei kai mō ngā kaumātua, and especially, you know, that load there's going down to our whanwhananga and Ngāti hine for our whānau who passed away. So, and I know they'll appreciate this kai, so you know, we're happy to play our part and give our koha of sending some kina down. And that was my first cousin that came and picked that load up. Him and I grew up together. He's like a brother to me, so I hooked my bro up, hooked my cuzzie up. But haramai, my bro, haramai. So, alright, puta māua ki te matu, ki te ruku kina, tētai kaupapa anō, ia. Tiro ki tō tāua moana, bro. Tō tāua moana.